Low float MTEX was trending a couple of hours ago, up 4.38%. This is Tuesday, the 30th of December, 2025, pre market session. Float is around 960,000 shares. Look at this 50-day average is around 18,000. So the float could be if any figure, but what actually trades is what is effective. This is the effective float, if you like, effective float. 18,000. That's what people are looking at right now. Short interest is negligible, but may begin to increase, and with the growing interest on the stock, So this is what people are looking at right now. It's drawing a lot of the stock has drawn a lot of attention as a result of this. As things stand right now, it is not. It doesn't have a good spread. You can see here you buy at 9.51 and you sell at 9.30, but so far maybe well, yesterday it may not have been a problem. I don't exactly know what it was like yesterday, but it gained 16.32%. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is seems to be suggesting that it might hold the strength. It picked up yesterday up till when was it? If it was even yesterday, let's see. Picked it up from yesterday. Yeah, it's saying that it might hold it up till let's see. Let me confirm that it was yesterday. No, it was actually on Friday, the 26th Boxing Day. That was when it picked up. So we're looking at the third straight session of gains on the stock, and it's saying that it might even be up to 4 days. It's saying here the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might hold it up till tomorrow, the 31st, and then after that it might contract. So all in all, it's just saying it's going to go into an accumulative contraction going all the way towards the 26th of January. That's a long time to come. Never say never. And but I also can't guarantee that as well. The fact that it has this low float, you can't rule out volatility. Yeah, you can't rule it out at all. You know, Momentum is expected to remain elevated as well. Strong, elevated at least up till the 12th of January. And well, all in all, it's still the same accumulative contraction, the same pattern that is expressed here on its 10-day moving average, the price pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average. Yeah, going all the way towards this is all the way towards the 22nd of January. Yeah, there's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. Okay, let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see what's going on right now. It has only changed by 4% so far. Yeah, here the extrapolation is more of a contraction, and then contraction going all the way towards Friday, pre-market session of Friday the 2nd, and then after that we might see what looks like a consolidation, a sideways movement. I think with a distributive bias. Yeah, we haven't even checked projections. We have 8.28 right now. Yeah, okay. Let's see whether we can get any projections, any previous projections we have printed. Yeah, okay. Printed at 10.2 yesterday. Yeah, yesterday's pre-market session printed $10.2. Okay, so as things stand right now, we can see, let's see, on its momentum, we have, yeah, momentum is expected to continue to weaken. Yeah, let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating. We have positions opened all the way back to 40 hours ago are in profit. Okay. And right now we have buying pressure is, yes, is it improving? Yes, increasing. Increasing. Yeah, it's increasing. Buying pressure is increasing, even though it has contracted somewhat. So they're still buying it anyway. Buying pressure is increasing, but the pace is equally increasing as well. Yeah. So the stock is rising at a pace of 18, currently now $18, $18 and 50 cents every 4 hours. Okay, so but in any case, the on this 4 hour chart, we have a contraction in the momentum. Momentum is expected to begin to flag, and by the 31st, midday tomorrow, the 31st, there's a chance that the stock would have dropped below its 10 period moving average on this 4 hour chart. No guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah. Okay, so we have $10 and some fraction as its intraday high. Let's see, we'll have a 1020 printed yesterday. Yeah, okay. So here, buying pressure, let's see what the buying pressure is saying here. Price pressure momentum, okay, rising at a pace of 0.331 cents every 32 cents every day. Okay, yeah, we'll see. Okay, here, let's see now. Let's get some probabilities. Probability of it retesting 9.55, statistically less than 50%. Yeah, less than 50%. Less than 50% that it would retest 9.63, but it's always within it's I mean high prices or all-time highs or new highs print in amid very 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 remote probabilities. So it doesn't mean it's not going to retest them at all. So we've seen $10.2, 10, is it 10.2 dollars intraday high. We could also try and see whether we can get some okay, what we could do is just quickly glance at its 1 minute chart. I know it's been some time since that printed. Let's see whether are the any projections here going towards those sort of levels here. We have 10.34, 10.47, 10.12. Yeah, let's see. Let's have a look at a 2 minute chart. Let's see what we have here. 8.7, 9.56, 9.67. Okay, none of that. Okay. Let's just quickly return and see the 3 minute chart. 9.7, 9.67. I think we'll be all right with 10.2. Yeah, okay. What we could just do, return and apply the market grid on this 4 hour chart to see it's going to give us a range. The market grid is, it's the main purpose of its main purpose is its main focus is giving you a range. Indeed, we can find a range with Fibonacci projections, but the market grid is more of a range in the time frame. Yeah. Okay. Here we have between 10.82. Yeah, this is also including the intraday high of 10.2. It printed somewhere around here R2. So this is the range. Okay, this is the top of the range. If it starts getting into these range, the resistance zones, then you have to start considering. You have to start to consider exiting. So right now, it has actually reached those levels. It printed. It reached 9.57. Got a rejection there. Is that what happened? Yeah, got a rejection there. Yeah, I think it reached 9.85. It reached 9.85. Got a rejection there, and it's now pointing down. This is where it is, right between the resistance and the support zones. So maybe profit taking may be going on right now. So yeah, so in any case, the range is between 10.82 and 8.28. So if it begins to get to this sort of levels, then it may begin to provide a buying opportunity. So yeah, it is just from here, but from the extrapolation, it's suggesting that they might even go further. You know, yeah. So see what you make of the stock. It will cut both ways. Very very tiny float, very tiny float. So if it expands, it's going to also if it expands marvelously, it's also going to contract disastrously. Okay, so yeah, volatility not exactly known to be very high, but if it begins to run, people that volatility might increase. Okay, nothing, no fresh news of late. Okay, so see what you make of MTEX, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.